How to recover a WhatsApp voice note that disappeared. Hey guys, if your WhatsApp voice note has suddenly vanished, it usually happens due to storage issues, deleted folders, or backup problems. You can often get them back by checking your hidden WhatsApp directories or restoring from backups. Here are some of the quickest ways you can recover your voice note. First thing you need to do is check your WhatsApp's media folder. So for that, you need to go over to your file manager, then go to internal storage. From there, you need to go to WhatsApp. So scroll down. If you don't find WhatsApp, go to Android. And from here, go to Media. Scroll down until you find com.whatsapp. Just tap on it, go to WhatsApp. And here you can sometimes find WhatsApp nodes and see if the folders are hidden or removed. All of these folders that have dot right in front of them are hidden folders. So you can go and check backups as well and see if the voice note is available here. If you don't see it here, you can use the WhatsApp's backup and restore. So what you need to do is reinstall WhatsApp and verify your phone number. Then you need to have your backup turned on. So what you need to do is go over to WhatsApp account and from settings go to chats, then add chat backup. Tap on backup and make sure that you have a Google account connected to back up your account, and you should be able to restore it from there. Now, other thing that you can also do is look into trash or recently deleted. Phones these days come with a built-in recycle bins inside the file manager or gallery, where all of the deleted audio files might have gone. So scroll down and find recycle bin down below and just tap on it. You should be able to find it here. Other thing that you need to do is check your WhatsApp storage. So you can do that by going over to WhatsApp, and from your settings you need to go to storage and data, and from here tap on manage storage. You should find your available voice note right here on chat. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.